To another video. If you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Kris, and on this channel I just share with you kind of my favorite fragrances and fragrances that I'm obsessed with. This video is for those of you looking for the perfect sensual seductive date night fragrance. I chose mainly like red bottles. I don't know why, but all of these smell so sexy, so sensual, seductive. Some of them are like really game on, some of them are more, like let's get to know each other, more elevated, more elegant, but sensual trail. And you haven't subscribed, definitely do. Community, the cherry lovers. And before I say anything, I hate cherry. I hate this artificial cough syrup. It's just a scent profile, but not in a good way. But this is an exception. And I love this one, especially in winter and in cold weather. But in summer, in hot weather, if you wear this fragrance, it's game on. It's sweet, it's sexy, it's sparkly, and this is your black cherry, but very natural smelling. Black cherry, champagne, tequila scent with jasmine, with some rose, with sandalwood, with vanilla, but it is really like a delectable dark cherry scent. Like imagine black red cherry in your mouth. And it tastes good, it smells good, it feels good, and then the champagne, it adds like this sparkling effect to it, and it makes it a little bit festive and sexy and over the top, but I do have to say it's still very elegant, very polished, blended to perfection. Like it's nothing cheap smelling. It doesn't smell like a typical fruity cherry, like red and artificial and borderline cheap. This is the expensive Italian and niche cherry that I've been looking for. I have it, I love it, and I wear it. And I definitely recommend that you get your nose on this one. The longevity is like 50 hours. The projection is like 3 cities will smell you. This is how good it is, but it's not like intrusive or overpowering. Like when you smell the trail of somebody wearing it is very delectable. Like people will turn their heads. I don't find this fragrance to be just too obnoxious. Sexy, elegant, very grown up, very mature. Everything I love. Do check this one out. The second fragrance that always gets me compliments, but also during like when I'm running errands and I just want to feel very elevated, demure, sophisticated, and like sensual, borderline, a little bit sexy. And by sexiness here, I mean just elegant, sexy, like nothing where you're going partying or not, or so. So this is Rolling in Love by Kilian. Incredible, a little bit like tonic, almondy, freesia, iris scent. It has the almondy vibe, but it's the most incredible almondy scent profile. I don't know if there are any almonds in this fragrance. I'm not sure. I don't think so. But to me, this is a pure, milky, soft almondy freesia scent. If you have smelled freesia and you love it, this fragrance is like one of the best ones when it comes to freesia. I'm obsessed with freesia. It's such like for queens. It's a white flower for queens when you want to really feel festive and very elegant, sensual, expensive smelling. It is incredible. I cannot, some women ask me when I wear this fragrance in a store, when I'm wearing that, it smells incredible. And also the trail is, again, 10 out of 10. Like people will smell you. And when I wear it, I feel really, just one word, I feel expensive without trying hard, extra. So if you're into more like elegant fragrances and this vibe, but still you want still a little bit something sexy, go get Rolling in Love. Just love, love, love this fragrance forever. Will I never get bored of it? Nothing. The next one is actually the one that I tried when I was on my vacation in Sardinia, I think in 2023. It was 40 degrees Celsius outside. It was hot. I was dripping wet, or sweat. And this is Jury by Kajal, and I still fell in love with this fragrance. How this fragrance makes you feel incredibly, I don't know, like it is so a delectable honey, ylang-ylang, nutmeg fragrance. It has some patchouli, it has vanilla, it has tonka bean, it has like 30 notes, but in the end, this is a nutmeg, ylang-ylang, honeyed fragrance. Dry, a very dry, sexy scent profile. It's the most incredible, it's the most incredible exotic scent you will like ever experience, and the trail will reach like another continent. Incredible. It's sexy. It's game on. This is not one of those fragrances, oh, let's go on a date night, or like during the day, let's go grab a coffee, let's go for a walk. No, this is game on. It is when you know what you want, when you know who you want. It is an evening, you know, like you're getting a dessert and, you know, sherry. So the next fragrance is actually for those of you looking for something more romantic. This is Borelli by Tiziana Terenzi. The most incredible, like exotic, ylang but soft, kind of like neroli, powdery, clean, beautiful fragrance. It smells clean. It smells very musky, sweet, powdery. The trail is incredible for a kind of like freshy, but this freshy is musky, is sweet, is again delectable, and it is so long lasting. And on my clothes, this stays for like 2-3 days on my clothes. And the cloud, when I wear this fragrance during the day, I feel very elevated and clean and feminine. This is a feminine scent. It's a feminine beauty. It's something, I don't know, like I haven't smelled a dupe of this fragrance, anything similar. Tiziana Terenzi does like some good, I mean, they have been duping back in the day like some Tom Ford fragrances and stuff, like a little bit, but they have such incredible creations. This is amazing. Is Kashmiran by Regalian. Latin mood, but more with red fruit and with less of this obnoxious violet. It is incredible. The trail, again, like 3 to 4 days. And this is just like Jury Game On. I was like an expensive lady in like white Cadillac in a white dress. You are expensive. When you wear this fragrance, like everybody knows, like, you know, luxury, you want luxury, you love luxury. And a little tip, I do love to put this especially on my hair fragrances. The mood is obnoxious, which I think it is, and you cannot stand it because it's just a little bit too much. You will love this fragrance. A little bit more red fruits than the violet that smells like baby wipes with, I don't know, with like civet or whatever. This is incredible. Red, sexy, very elegant, very, very, very mature smelling. Expensive car, expensive clothes. You know, luxury, you love it. This is Kashmiran by Regalian. Actually, this spicy rose, it's new to my collection. I don't know what notes it has, but this is Heart of Rose by Regalian. Again, it is a spicy, musky, kind of like patchouli rose fragrance. Nothing new, but this one is actually done so incredibly well. Very sexy, patchouli, very powdery, very like musky, sweet, and delectable. Kind of like pink rose, I would say. It has like this makeup powdery vibe, but then I think I smell patchouli. I don't know if there's any patchouli. This is fragile, like this typical patchouli rose combination, but this one is done in a feminine way, like very sexy, very addictive, seductive, and it smells really red. But I do get some softness from it. It's like I'm hard on the outside, soft on the inside. And if you love roses, I would really suggest you try this fragrance. I think this is an extrait because the bottle is so small. And yes, the concentration is so amazing. Like I smell this fragrance the whole day, the next day on my hair until I wash it off. And this is what I love. So I never like to overspray. I just do want to spray. And this is why I choose fragrances that are so incredibly long lasting and that project a lot, because I'm an under sprayer. I've always been and I always will be. And this fragrance does that. 1-2 sprays or maybe like 3, and you smell like femme fatale the whole day, but also during the day, during like in the cold weather, there's something magical that happens, you know, with the scent profile, plus the musky powdery aura that it creates around you. And I wouldn't say this is too girly. This is for too young, like people. It has something sexy to it. So I would say it's like kind of like 18 plus, but not really. But it does have the maturity in it. It doesn't smell cheap, tacky. List of my fragrances that I love to wear during date night. Watching. Do let me know if you want to see other videos, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.